Hello everyone, my name is Adim Toibadetuji from Ades Fusion Innovations Limited. Today I'm going to take you on the business registration course on the new AI powered CSA registration portal. So let's begin. Today, what we are going to learn today is about business registration, and our module, our first module today is Introduction to CAC and the ICRP portal. So from the objective you are seeing on the screen, by the end of this module, you will be able to understand what CAC is and its role in Nigeria. And you will be able to know the difference between the old and the new CAC portal, and you get familiar with the new features and benefits of the new AI-powered compensation portal. So you can see the link is icrp.gov.ng. So first thing we are learning now is what is CAC. When we talk about CAC, the acronym it means it is the acronym for Corporate Affairs Commission, and it is the government agency in charge of registering businesses and companies in Nigeria and also keeping company records, and they also regulate corporate operations and post incorporation filings. Most people think of CAC as the birth registry of all businesses in Nigeria. Yeah, they are correct. Because if you are running a business without CAC, it's more like giving birth to a bastard son or daughter. So why do you need to register your business with CAC? First thing you need to know is that why you registering your business with CAC, it gives your business legal recognition. That is, when we talk about a company that is well registered with CAC, they are actually recognized. And the other thing is that from the certificate you are getting from your business registration, you have access to corporate accounts. That is, you'll be able to create a business account with the certificate and other documents you are getting from the registration of your businesses or company. Also, you will have access to government contracts. That is, if government want to award the contract to a company, it must be a registered company under the federal government of Nigeria. And also, when you register your business or your company, you have access to loans and grants and other things like that. So without CAC registration, your business is not legally recognized in Nigeria. You might say, my friend knows so cloth. My friend knows that I'm a tailor. My friend knows I'm a businesswoman. But Nigeria doesn't know that. But if you register your business in the CAC, then you have legal recognition from the government. You have access to grants, you have access to even take loan from the government. So, like we all know that we have the old and the new CAC portal. The old portal, as you all know, is pre.cac.gov.ng, while the new one is icrp.cac.gov.ng. What's the meaning of pre? That's pre-incorporation.cac, while the ICRP means Intelligent Company Registration Portal. So we are going to see the difference now. Based on the design, the old portal is outdated and slow. Yes, if you have used the old portal before, then you know it is very, very slow. And it is actually, the interface is actually outdated. While the new one is sleek and mobile friendly. That is, it's easy to navigate through the new portal. When we're talking about navigation, when you're using the old portal, you go in a manual way. That is, you are going to take from one step to another. But on the AI portal, it is guided. You have a guided step-by-step procedure. You don't have to stress yourself. And when it comes to the old portal, you have to conduct a name search on an external link. But while in the new portal, everything is incorporated inside the portal. You don't need to stress yourself going to another website to search for the another link to search for the to conduct your name search. Your name search is on the new portal. Another difference between the old and new is that on the old portal you don't have AI assistance, and you know the way our technology is growing now. AI has already interfered to almost everything about our lives. So on the new AI portal, we have smart suggestions and field validation. That is, when you are trying to conduct a name search, If the name is available, it's going to let you know that it is available without wasting your time. But if the name is not available, then it's going to ask to suggest a new name instantly. So when it comes to document handling on the old portal, it is the manual method of uploading. You have to resize, convert from JPEG to PDF. But on the new portal, we have online dashboard to upload. While you're uploading, you can actually view your uploads and also download it. Yeah. So that's that about the difference between the new portal and the old portal. So let's go to the new portal now. What is the ICRP portal? The ICRP portal stands for Incorporation Registration Portal, or you can say it is the Intelligent Registration Portal. It is the CAC New AI Portal. It is all in one system for business registration and post incorporation services. Don't worry, we are going to hold a class on the post incorporation services very soon. So that's that. So we are not wasting our time. We continue from here. What can you do on the new portal? What can you do? You can create, you can secure it. You can actually create a secure account on the new portal. What do I mean by that? When you create account on the new portal, for every login you want to log into the portal, you must you must enter the OTP sent to your mail. So that is, if you want to create an account on the new AI portal, you have to make sure that the Gmail you are using for the registration is an active Gmail. So that's that for that. And on the new portal, you can reserve a business name and a company name or an NGO on the same page. On the same page. Yes, you can also enter a business name, a limited and NGO. Yes, on the new portal, upload is required. Yes, you are going to upload some required documents like your NIN, your passport, your signature. So on the new AI portal, if you are using the agent portal, you'll be able to file post incorporation changes instantly on the same portal. That is, on the former portal, we have separate accounts. We have separate link for the pre-incorporation and the post-incorporation. But if you are using an agent account, you have access to both dashboard on the same page. You have access to both account on the same dashboard. So, and on the new AI powered portal, you can track your application status instantly. You can also download your CSC certificate and other documents too from the new AI powered portal. So, also you can use publish as to check existing businesses, search for director using names or the company registration numbers. So that's that about how to what you can do on the new AI powered portal. So the next thing we are going to learn now is why the new portal is better. Yes, yes, it's a good reason for it. You have a good reason to know that. The new AI portal is faster in processing registration and even reservation. When you use the new AI powered portal, you get instant approval on your name or company, on your business name or company reservation. Instant approval if the name actually goes in line with the compliance of the AI. And also on the new portal, it has improved security. That is, like I said earlier, if you want to log in to the new AI Power Portal, you are going to receive an OTP in your Gmail. So you have to enter the OTP, and the OTP lasts for just 60 seconds before you can request for another one. So, and on the AI new portal, it has AI enhanced form filling. That is the way of filling the information is actually easy to understand. It is very, very easy to understand. So it is just like a layman method. The document storage and download is in your dashboard. Yes, when you check it, you're going to see it there. Also, you have real-time status tracking. That is, when you make a reservation, you get instant approval and you can see how it is being approved instantly. And the new portal works on phones, laptops, and tablets. That is, you can access it from your Android or your iPhone. You can access it from your laptop or your tablet. So that is that about the new features. That is that about why the new portal is better than the old portal. So now our class has come to an end. So our assignment, like we're doing, you have to visit the portal, you take a tour of the homepage, and you're going to write 3 reasons why business registration is important. So that's an assignment for our students. Also, we have to compare features between the old and the new portal in a tabular format. So this is where we are going to stop today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.